Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have the approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line finished in the very stylish Python yellow. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting the 5-speed manual gearbox, and it does come equipped with the optional contrast roof, which really adds a sporty exterior look. It's sitting on those 17-inch 5 twin-spoke design alloys, really setting off the sporty look, as well as the S-Line badging on the exterior. And to the rear, you've got the rear parking sensors, making it nice and easy to reverse park. Into the boot, got a generous amount of boot space, especially for the size of the vehicle. No trouble fitting any shopping or bags in. You've got the half leather interior, very comfortable to be in no matter where you're sat, as well as having the ISOFIX points located in the rear and plenty of legroom in the back. Got the sporty interior, complementing the vehicle very nicely. And it comes with the front sport seats for the S-Line embossing, gripping you very nice as you drive. These are very comfortable to be in. Got the full electric windows, electrically adjustable door mirrors, as well as your central locking and all your anti-controls. For the optional leather multifunctional flat bottom steering wheel, now on the left hand side you do have your display controls, and on the right you got your Bluetooth and audio. So it's the S-Line detailing and your cruise control kit just behind the steering wheel. It's currently on 15,358 miles and does come equipped with the Audi virtual cockpit, which does allow you to view your multimedia features with a touch of a button, adding a personal touch to the vehicle. Onto your central display now. Fully touchscreen, you've got access to your DAB radio, AM and FM, Apple CarPlay. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. Nice and easy to do. It does allow features such as Spotify, navigation, calls and text to be displayed on screen. Got all your vehicle settings, which can be configured however you like. Bluetooth connectivity can be set up in seconds. As we make our way down now, you've got a nice easy to use air conditioning panel, 12 volt socket and 2 USB ports, your 5-speed manual gearbox, and 2 cup holders in the centre. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.